family, welcome back to my channel. My old and my new subscribers, you are all welcome. So guys, in this today's tutorial, I'm just going to show you guys how to pre-part your knotless braid or your box braid. Guys, can you see the way the box is coming out very sharp? And this is how it's looking like. So guys, stay tuned and enjoy this tutorial. Please give this video a very big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section if you love this video. So guys, this box braid I actually want to achieve. She's not putting any part. She doesn't want it in the center, she doesn't want it in the halfway, so she just wants something very simple, and she'll be able to pack at any time she wants. She'll just pack it and roll it up. She doesn't want to fall it down, she just wants something like ponytail or through. So guys, if you want to achieve this lovely pattern, you just have to section it from the front, as you can see what I'm doing, because once you start from the back, you will not be able to achieve this front aspect. Are you getting me, guys? So what you just have to do after, when you section like two line from the back, as in when you part it, you come to the front side, then you begin to pattern the front aspect, as you can see what I'm doing here. So you just part like 2 or 3 from the front, and then when you're done, you go back to the back. Can you see, guys? Make sure your patterns are very well sharp. Yeah, can you see? You section it very well. So this video is just a short video and is a request video as well. So if you know you're the person that request for this video, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much, guys. Can you see? It's section like 3 or 2 at the front. Then you go back and you begin to do the same thing to the back. Can you see? You part it very well to make it neat and sharp. Can you see, guys? So now can you see this side is not equal? So by the time you continue from the back, can you see what I'm saying? So where the pattern will stop, you will see that when you guys start from the front, you will know from the back, you will not be able to achieve the pattern. Can you see? It's not going straight, it's looking one kind funny, but since you started from the front, don't mind. Can you see, guys? Let's assume you start from the back around. This is how the front is going to look like, and it's very wrong. So that is why, in case you're not putting any parts, this is the easiest way for you to section your box braid. And that's all. Can you see? You go ahead and you begin to braid your hair. So it's very easy for you to braid on it. You just go ahead and you begin to loosen the one you've cornrow, then you begin to braid on it, and that's all about you parting your box braid. So guys, thank you so much, guys. I will see you in my next tutorial. Share this video and give this video a very big thumbs up if you love it. Bye bye. Thank you so much, guys. You go ahead and you begin to do the braid, and this is how the braid will looks like. I love you all. Bye bye.